Y'all, I just came out of jail, like, no lie. I just got out of jail, y'all. Oh, Jesus.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Alright, what's up, what it do? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And if you're not new, welcome back. Regaining this thing, period. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm in Birmingham at Club Volcano. I'm about to sit here and get ready, do my makeup, do my hair, flat out my hair or whatever. And then yeah, we gonna see what tonight's talking about. We gonna get some money, period. But I'll be back, y'all, when I like get myself situated, because I literally just got here, just walked in.
Yeah. Before I even start getting ready or any other shit.
But I'm early. We like the first people here. Nobody in here, y'all. This is the dressing room. Y'all seen it. If you keep up with my channel, you see. Look at my booty though. It look big. It look big, y'all. At least it's quiet and I can show y'all more stuff. But this is the dressing room. Again, for those of you that haven't seen it, just because this might be your first time looking at this video, I used this locker last time. But I need to get a bigger locker. Bigger locker for bigger money. Oh, this don't even work. Might have to get a small locker. Those don't even work. Okay, I'm just stick to the locker I had. It's so quiet. Before the storm hits. All right, y'all. I'm out to flat out my hair. Then I'm finna eat. Then I'm finna get dressed and make sure she money. Period. Good vibes tonight. Funny vibes. That's it. That's all. All right, y'all. So I flat out my hair. I'm about to eat. I'm finna eat some hot dogs. I'm a little sleepy, but I'm finna wake up. Cause baby, I gotta work. What time is it? I think it's like, it's about to be 10 o'clock, yeah. But I'm finna get happy though, cause I'm about to eat, and when I eat, I get happy.
Started with $13 today, y'all.
I'm starting off with shit.
13. We got 13 bucks. You ain't got no money?
I ain't got nothing.
So you paid your tip out?
Oh God.
All right now. Now we just showing y'all a little flip. We did, how much we did? 3, 8. Now we're doing 13. Let's see how much we're gonna come up with. No. $13, mama.
I'm so weak as you couldn't even.
Bitch, we're gonna put facts on this YouTube.
Oh, that's
That's why we doing it.
Oh.
Can Judy get some money? Can Judy get some money? Oh, I need goddamn get some tea.
Hey, y'all. We can get some money tonight. Period.
We ballin', boo, banked up.
Alright, y'all. I usually like film when I'm in the locker room, like right before, like the end of the night, right before I leave. But I just left a little early. But I need some money though. We at a gas station. I get like a Red Bull so we can stay up on the road. What? I know I'm recording. Thank you. It's cold. It's so cold out here. I'm drinking the Red Bull so I can stay up with her.
Slime, you know. I gotta stop doing that shit for real. I really do.
When certain songs come on in the club, I be throwing up weird sounds like I just know what I'm doing. I be like, yeah.
Yeah, look.
I be like, let me stop when I think I'm getting baby.
Right,
I'm
I was doing that in the club and niggas was looking at.
Come on. Alright, y'all. This is Takari. This is my son. But as y'all can see, I'm back in Atlanta at my mom's house. Why you look so sad? Why you look so sad? Why you still up though? Alright, I'm gonna count, go straight on my money. I might count it on them. We about to straighten it up. No, baby, don't touch nothing. Just sit here. If you start touching stuff, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna push you down. You start touching stuff. But the club, like tonight was straight. Like, it was cool. It was worth going. But they was running out of ones. Like, the club ain't had no ones. So I could have made way more money than I made. But they didn't have no freaking ones. So we had to keep recycling our ones. So that was kind of aggravating. And I actually didn't even stay the whole time. I left, like, before 2 o'clock. I got on before, like, around 11. And then left, like, around 1. So I didn't even work that long. So it's good for what I got. Don't touch none, baby. You touch so you getting down. So I'm just straight on my big bills. I was turning, bless you. Bless you. I was turning the ones I had, trading them in so they could have ones. It was like, recycle y'all ones. So I got a lot of big bills. What you been doing, Jakari? Huh? I got a lot of big bills. A lot. Tonight was actually straight. Like, it was cool. At least I ain't got that much ones to count. I got a lot of big bills, y'all. Okay. Big Bang Bisha. A lot of big bills. Like, tonight probably like good night. You being good, boy. You just sitting here. Nah, don't. How you gonna mess up after I just say you feel good? You coming here looking at the car?
No.
What?
I'm reading the episodes for Orange New Black. I just found out Hussein died.
Yeah, you just now seeing that?
I think that episode, I'm just looking through.
What season you on?
I'm on season 4, episode 11. I got 2 more.
How many seasons is?
7.
Oh yeah, you super late.
I know I was supposed to get him. I got checked by other stuff.
Yeah.
Man, Hussein's my man.
Hey, baby, say hey. Nope, no, don't touch that. It's nasty. Say hey, baby. You be saying hey, so I won't say it now. Say hey. All right, y'all be teach. I'm trying to teach y'all how to talk. All right. So. This is the ones that I have. Nah, I was telling you my ones for big bills, so I don't got a lot of ones to count. This is the ones I got. He like, I'm gonna touch some. And then, I got a lot of big bills, y'all. These are the big bills I have. Period. Big bills. Let's count the ones first before I count the big bills. I actually had a good night. Like, ooh. Ooh. Alright. The card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $41. This is 50. What? You laughing at him?
He just eyeing it like he just ready for when you leave.
He just ready to touch it. 50. So 58. $58 in ones. Stop, you distract him. He been a good little boy. Just sing him. Give a kiss. Give a kiss. Wow. Let's count the big bills. That's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 2. That's 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 3. And then this was 58. Stop touching stuff. So 3. Then 58 plus 20 is 78. And then plus 5. So I got 383. That's what I made tonight. Which is, I felt like that was straight. But I'm not having no ones. I felt like that was cool. But yeah, y'all. Stop trying to touch it, baby. Let me put this up. He gonna be bad. He wanna touch right. Tonight was a good little night. Like, I like that club, y'all. I keep trying to tell y'all to go to that club. If you stay down there, or even if you stay in Atlanta and you want to dance, like, go try that club out. Tonight was actually the first night that clubs here in Atlanta opened up. Ace of Clubs opened up tonight at 12, and everybody was trying to flock there. I was just like, nah, let me go out of town. Let me go this out of town money. And that's what I did. I don't know if I'm working somewhere tomorrow. Now you want to talk? Now you want to talk? I don't know if I'm going to work somewhere tomorrow. I'm going to see. There. Here. But yeah, that's really it for this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And y'all, turn the bell notification on so you can be notified every time I post a freaking video. Like, period. I'm trying to get this money for me and my son. Like, 2020 is our year, and that's just that. Thank you. But if you're not new to my channel, you already know what it is. Bree Gang and this thing. And that's just that, y'all. Like, period. Look at you. Say bye-bye. Ooh. Y'all, I just came out of jail. Like, no lie. I just got out of jail, y'all. Oh, Jesus.